Winter storm warning in effect until 7 a.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties: in New York, Tompkins, Chemung, Schuyler, and Steuben. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches. Travel can be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions may impact the evening and Thursday morning commutes. Snowfall rates of 2 inches per hour possible late this afternoon and into the evening. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New York State Police. Roadways in Steuben County have become impassable due to heavy snow that is occurring with this winter storm. The New York State Police are asking all residents to stay home and not to travel for any reason. The Steuben County Sheriff's Office has also put out a travel advisory. Do not travel unless it is for an emergency. If you do travel, have plenty of food, water, blankets, and a battery-powered flashlight if you become stranded. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a blizzard warning for the following county: in New York, Steuben. Doppler radar indicated a squall line producing snow at a rate of 2 inches per hour and wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. Trained spotters and law enforcement are advising that there is whiteout conditions occurring throughout the county and travel is impossible. Additionally, Interstate 86 between exits 39 and 45 has been shut down due to multiple traffic accidents and poor road conditions. The Steuben County Sheriff's Office has declared a travel ban, and any motorist on the roadway must return home or seek shelter.
This is WVIN, and we have an update to the winter storm warning issued by the National Weather Service. It is now being upgraded to a blizzard warning due to increased wind speed and snowfall. The Sheriff's Office and New York State Police are advising all residents to stay off the roadways, as there are multiple accidents. Interstate 86 between exits 39 and 45 has been shut down due to the pileup of vehicles. We will provide an update when one becomes available.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in this national emergency. During this emergency, most stations will be on the air providing news and updates for the local area. This is WVIN. We will continue to serve the Bath area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune into a news station that provides news for your local area. The emergency alert system has been activated. At 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NORAD detected the launch of multiple nuclear missiles with unknown trajectories. All citizens of the United States must take the following precautions. Get to a fallout shelter immediately. If you are not near fallout shelter, you should shelter on the lowest floor of your home away from doors and windows. Close all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Have a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter to receive updates on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. NORAD has detected that one of the nuclear missiles that was launched had its trajectory thrown off due to weather conditions in the northeast, and the missile will be impacting the Corning area within the next 30 minutes. Residents who are stranded due to the blizzard must evacuate the area immediately and find a suitable fallout shelter. Do not use the telephone, as the telephone line must be kept open for emergencies. The Steuben County 911 Center is reporting that they are overwhelmed with calls related to the ongoing winter storm. This is a very dangerous and life-threatening emergency. All citizens in Steuben County must take actions immediately to avoid injury or loss of life.
This is WVIN. We will be on the air while this emergency is ongoing. If you are just joining us, the area is under a blizzard warning, and now the government is stating that a nuclear missile is heading for the downtown Corning area. This trajectory is again unknown due to the unknown origin of the missiles. If the missile strikes Corning or anywhere in the county, we will all be affected. We have backup generators in case we lose power due to this storm, and will continue to provide updates. The New York State Police and the Sheriff's Office are working as fast as they can to remove motorists from Interstate 86 near Corning, but the storm conditions are making it impossible. Again, unless you have an emergency, do not go out.